Dear students, now we shall discuss the third question in the first main. Yesterday I gave this as a homework to you. The first point is a comma b and the second point is minus a comma minus b. Now we have to find the distance between these 2 points. Already we know the formula. What is that? Square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now we'll take the first point as x1 comma y1 and second point as x2 comma y2. Now we'll take this point as a and this as b. Let us assume it. The first point I have taken it as a, second point as point b. Now we have to find the distance between these 2 points, that is ab is equal to under root of, let us write the formula first, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, this is the formula. Let us substitute the values. Now here x1 y1, that is a comma b, x2 y2, that is minus a comma minus b it is. Now x2 minus x1 whole square, x2 value is here minus a minus x1 value is here a, right? x1 value is a whole square plus y2 value is here minus b minus y1 value is here how much? Plus b whole square it is. Now this is equals to under root of minus a, that is minus 2a whole square, right, plus minus b, that is minus 2b whole square. Now this is equals to under root of minus 2 square, it is 4a square plus 4b square. Now let us take this 4 common, then after you can send it to the outside. So it will become 2 root a square plus b square. Okay. So if you take 4 common, inside a square plus b square is there. So take outside from the square root. Square root of 4 is nothing but 2 it is. Okay. So this is the distance between the 2 points. Now see the second question. Find the distance between the points 0, 0 and 36, 15. We have to find the distance between those 2 points. Next, can you now find the distance between 2 towns A and B discussed in section 7.2. So later on you can give the answer for that question. See the first one. What they said, we have to find the distance between 2 points. The first point is 0, 0 and the second point is 36, 15. So these are the 2 points. Now let us take the first point as x1 comma y1, second point as bx2 comma y2. Okay. Now we have to find the distance between these 2 points. Let us write the formula first. AB is equal to under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is the formula. Let us substitute the values now. That is under root of, here x2 value how much? 36. 36 minus x1 value is 0 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, that is 15 minus 0 whole square, that is equals to under root of 36 minus 0, that is 36 only. So that is 36 square plus this is 15 square. Now this is equals to under root of 36 square. So 36 into 36 it is. 6 are 36. 18 plus 18. 36 plus 3. 39. Next 3 3s are 9 plus 3 that is 1296 it is. 1296 plus 15 square. So 15 square is how much? 225. So this is equals to 1296 plus 225. 6 plus 5, 11. It is 12, 5, 1. So we are getting 1521. 1521. Then square root of 1521. So it is in between 30 and 40. But you have to see the unit digit. That is 1. It must be square of 39 it is. Let us check it. 9 9s are 81. 9 3s are 27 plus 27, 54, 54 plus 8, 62, right? Then 3 3s are 9 plus 6, that is 1521, okay? So square root of 1521 is nothing but 39 it is. So the distance between these 2 points is 39 units, okay? So this is all about rough work only, okay? We got the distance between these 2 points. And one more they said, can you find the two towns, distance between the 2 towns A and B discussed in 7.2, they said. So before this, in that distance formula, in textbook you can see, they explained 2 towns A and B. Okay? If you know the 2 points, then easily you can find the distance, okay? So they given 2 points, means 2 towns they given, then we can find the distance between them. So for that I can give the answer as, it is possible to find the distance between 2 towns A and B, I can write, okay? Yes, we can find the distance. Yes, we can find the distance. Okay, actually for that problem, 2 towns they said, A and B. So A and B will be these 2 points only, the same distance you will get, that is 39 units only we will get. Once you see that 7.2 section, so then you will understand it. Now third question, determine if the points 1, 5, 2, 3 and -2, -11 are collinear. So here the one word is that is collinear. What it mean? So I will take one line. So let us take this is a one line. I will consider 3 points on this line. Let us take this is point A, and this is point B, and this is point C. These 3 points are on the same line, then we can say that these 3 points are collinear. What is collinear? So collinear nothing but if the 3 points are on the same line, then those 3 points are called as what? Collinear points. Okay. Now here we have to determine whether these 3 points are collinear or not. Okay. Whether these 3 points are collinear or not. For that, how we can check? That by using distance formula. So here, let us first we shall find the distance between A and B. We have to find AB distance. Then afterwards, we have to find BC distance. BC distance. Okay. Then now, you add these two. If you add these two, you should get the same distance as AC. AB plus BC equal to AC. Then these 3 points are collinear. If suppose AB plus BC distance is not equal to AC, then these 3 points are not collinear. Understood? Now, let us take the first point. I will take it as A, that is 1, 5. That is what? A, x1, y1. First point. Then second, that is B, 2, 3. So that is x2, y2. Okay. Now third point, I will take it as, what is that point? -2, -11. That is C, x3, y3. Okay. First we have to find the distance between these 2 points. AB I will find. AB is equal to. Once I will write the formula. So what is the formula? x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now this is equal to A and B points. You have to see AB only. Don't bother about C. Now x2 minus x1 whole square means 2 minus 1 under root of 2 minus 1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. It means what? 3 minus 5. That is 3 minus 5 whole square. Now this is equals to under root of 2 minus 1, it is 1. 1 square value is 1 plus 3 minus 5, that is minus 2. Minus 2 square value is 4. So if you add these two, you will get it as square root 5. So AB you are getting as root 5. Then what you have to find? BC you have to find now. So let us find BC. BC is equal to So here again no need to write the formula, distance formula. Okay. So let it be whether x3 minus x2 whole square or x4 minus x4 minus x3 whole square, whatever may be the formula. You concentrate on these 2 points only. Okay. So x2 minus x2 whole square means minus 2 whole square. Minus 2 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square means y coordinate you have to see. Minus 11 minus 3. Minus 11 minus 3 whole square. Okay. First x coordinate minus 2 whole square plus minus 11 minus 3 whole square. Otherwise like this also you can write 2 plus 2 whole square plus 3 plus 11 whole square. The same answer you will get. Okay. Now this BC is equals to under root of minus 2 minus 4 square. Minus 4 square plus minus 11 minus 3, that is minus 14 square. Right. Now this is equal to under root of minus 4 square, that is 16 plus minus 14 square, that is 196. This is equal to 196 plus 6, 202, that is 212 it is. Am I right? BC value is 212. Now we shall write it in simplest form. So 212, is it divisible by 4? Yes, it is divisible by 4. So it means 2 root. Square root of 4 nothing but 2. 4 5s are 25. Then carries 1, it will become 12. 4 3s are 12. It means BC we are getting as 2 root 53. So yes, AB we got, BC we got. Then what you have to find? AC now. ABC. AB is over. Then BC is over. Then you have to find AC. Now AC distance. AC is equal to under root of. Again same. No need to write the formula. Already we written here once. A and C. Concentrate on these 2 points only. Whatever may the x1 y1, whatever may the x2 y2. x2 minus x1 whole square, minus 2 minus 1 whole square, x coordinate, minus 2 minus 1 whole square, plus minus 11 minus 5 whole square, minus 11 minus 5 whole square, right? Now this is equals to under root of minus 2 minus 1, that is minus 3 square, plus minus 11 minus 5, that is minus 16 square. This is equals to under root of minus 3 square value is 9 plus minus 16 square, that is 256, is equals to under root of 256, that is 265 it is. 265. Okay. Now so here AB you are getting is root 5, BC you are getting as 2 root 53. Now AB plus BC is equal to AC. No. So here AB plus BC is different than AC. So here AB plus BC is not equal to AC. Therefore, what I can say? AB plus BC is not equal to AC. Then A comma B and C are not collinear. Not collinear. Okay. If AB plus BC equal to AC, then we can say that ABC are collinear. Here not equal to AC, therefore ABC are not collinear.